Hey guys, welcome to the channel. As you guys already know, there's the Steam Autumn sale going on right now, and a lot of the game are having huge discounts. Now, what if I tell you, you can have the discounts all the time even without the sale? Sounds great, right? Well, there's an actual way to do it, which is changing your Steam region to a region that has the cheapest game prices. You cannot do it yourself, and that's why I'm making this video. Stick to the end to know how. But I do want to clear one thing, which is changing this region will cost you a little bit of money, so it's not completely free. We'll come back to that. Anyway, for example, Cyberpunk is a $30 game, but you can have it for $10 only right now. There's a bunch of games that you can get for literally so cheap, and the games are gonna be still far more cheaper than the base region even after the sale ends. Now I'll show you how to actually do it. I'll link a Discord server in the description. Once you're in the server, you can go ahead and read all the information you need. You can also head over to Vouch's channel to see all the vouchers left by the previous customers. They've changed my region as well, and I've been working with them for a while now, so I know they're reliable and I trust them. Now once you've read all the info, you can text any of these admins or me, and they will help you through the process. You can pay via PayPal or crypto, although if you pay via crypto there's a discount. Also, if you tell them the code D21, you're gonna get 5% off, but that is only for the first 5 buyers, so you better hurry up. There's one more thing that might interest you. If you have changed your region and you bring your friends to change as well, your first friend that will buy this will get a 15% discount, 20% on the second one, and 25% on the third one. And on the fourth one, you're gonna get $8 as a reward. Now that sounds pretty sweet to me. That's all for this video. If you have questions, leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.